Ready to keep your car covered? Let's dive into how to renew your Geico insurance, ensuring you're continuously protected on the road. First up, let's talk about how to renew online. Head over to the Geico website and find the login button. Once you've logged into your account, there's usually a clear section dedicated to policy management. Look for something like Renew Policy or Manage Your Policy. Click it. Within the policy management area, you should find details about your current policy, including the renewal date and premium information. You'll probably see a payment or review and pay button. Click on that. Now, you'll be guided through the renewal process. This typically includes verifying your information, updating any changes like your mileage or address, and, of course, selecting your payment method. Geico usually offers a variety of payment options, such as credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Choose your preferred option and follow the prompts. Alternatively, you can renew your insurance over the phone. Dial Geico's customer service number. You'll find this on your policy documents or on the Geico website. When the representative answers, they'll guide you through the renewal process. Be ready with your policy number and payment information. Another simple method is using the Geico mobile app. Open the app, sign in, and go to the policy management section. The process is similar to the website, as you'll provide your payment details there. After completing the renewal process, whether online, by phone, or using the app, you should receive a confirmation, often via email or within the app. Ensure that you have this confirmation for your records. Congratulations, your Geico insurance is renewed.